Hello, my name is Dean Parkin and I'm a poet and writer born and bred in Lowestoft. It was my job for Watertight Words to devise the school's workshops, to help the children generate words, lines and poems for the project. We described the sea, we asked the sea questions, we wondered what did the sea dream of, what would it wish for? With Annie from FlipSide, I read through everything that had been written during the workshops, everything. We made a note of anything that stood out or shone through, until we had this impossibly long shortlist of words and phrases for a possible poem or two, or three. I then shuffled them around, put them into lines and shuffled them some more until something special emerged. And I didn't need to add anything. It was all there. So all the words involved were written by children during the workshops. I then got together with the artist Gary Breeze, shared with him what we came up with about the sea, and he was flabbergasted at the high standard of the writing. He went away completely inspired to create what you can now see decorating the town hall windows. For this, Gary wanted to use the kennings. Now they've been making poems with these things for donkey's years, back since Anglo-Saxon times. And all they are is short, two-word phrases, brilliant for writing quick descriptions about the sea. And perfect also for what Gary had in mind for the town hall. Now Gary will be doing more with these watertight words for the sea wall. But for now, I think I should share with you a poem I put together from the work we got from the school's workshops. Remember, all the words written are by children from Lowestoft. And in this poem, there's something from all the schools that we visited. The sea whispers. It was calm on the horizon, but rolling on the edge, swaying like a seagull's wing. The sea whispers, the waves are coming, an endless wave that isn't ending. It rides boats in the emotions of sailors. The sun swims round in circles, the sea pushes you away and shouts, "Cannonball!" before it makes a massive wave. As sudden as a full stop, murky to hide the mistakes of the past. Under the sand, the sea collects treasures of its own, as strong as a bulldozer, as calm as a Sunday morning murmur. The sea turns in its sleep and mumbles, "Let me be." The sea creeps up the beach at night and collects the pennies people have dropped. The sea is as soggy as my vinegar-drenched chips. The sea is as loud as a barking dog. The sea fires waves at me. The sea stops the horizon.